Hey guys, it's Tony. So SHIBA INU is retesting highs right now. It's at 83 microcents, and we are about to close a bullish trigger on the 30-minute. So right now, what I'm expecting is for SHIBA to keep running to the high side. I really hope that the exchanges don't fall again, but as of right now, I can definitely see us breaking trend maybe in the next hour or two. It is looking like we are going to close bullish in what? 3 minutes and 25 seconds. So, it's just been a day filled with a lot of emotion, a lot of excitement, and just a lot of stuff going on, man. With every single exchange like dropping because they had, quote unquote server issues, but I don't understand how Coinbase, KuCoin, Crypto.com, Binance, I don't understand how all of those exchanges at the same time have server issues, right? So I'm not big on conspiracies, but it's just one of those things. I'm like, I saw a huge ass candle, right? This candle right here before the drop happened, or actually right here. I forgot when it was, but there was an insanely huge candle being created before the exchanges actually shut down, which was pretty insane to me because I thought to myself, coincidentally, how does this massive bullish candle get created and the next minute you have all these exchanges like coming down, right? Either there's no more supply of SHIBA INU that are wanting to be sold, or or the servers actually went down. And I'm kind of putting myself to think that it was probably supply. I don't know. It just doesn't make any sense, the fact that everything shut down at the same time. And I was talking to a buddy of mine, and he was saying, he's like, with the whole rumor of that wallet owning like 20% of the supply, and maybe people just not selling, or things being not like capped at certain points. What if the supply of SHIBA INU is running out where just nobody wants to sell, and that's why these exchanges are actually calming down the market so that people put in sell orders so that they can actually sell the SHIBA INU. And I know I'm basically like throwing, there's like a phrase or something, I forgot what it is, but it's all speculation, right? It really is all speculation. But the really good thing is that it's still trading at around 80 microcents, a little bit above 80 microcents. And I really want to see what this bullish trigger does to SHIBA INU, especially because we're starting to run again to the upside on the stochastic. So momentum is picking up, and we're about to create a bull trigger right now live in the next 53 seconds or so, right? So what is going to happen between now and maybe, let's say, another couple of days or so, and if we do break these these relative highs, and then this high of 89 microcents, what happens up here, right? What happens up here? There is no resistance after that, right? Absolutely no resistance. After that, it's all price discovery. After that, it's literally just, we'll see where the fucking price goes, dude. It can run, infinitely, right? There is no resistance above 89 microcents, and that's what I'm very, very excited and looking forward to. I want to see what happens, after that 89 cent mark is broken, right? I want to see what happens after. And it does look like we're going to close bullish on this 30-minute in what? One, bam. It immediately closes bullish right there. So we'll see what happens in the next couple of hours. We'll see if we actually break these highs, man. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.